Plant growth time-lapse videos are going absolutely crazy on social media right now. Look at this Instagram page. Almost 91,000 followers built purely by posting this exact style of content, with top videos hitting 70 million and 65 million views. Watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. No time wasted, let's break down how you can create these for completely free. Head to the description below and open the detailed prompt file I've written for you. Copy the prompt carefully from start to finish and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will present you with a selection of plant concepts. Pick the one that feels the most visually stunning, copy it, and send it. ChatGPT will instantly produce a fully detailed prompt for that specific plant growth video, complete with audio design. Copy everything without leaving anything out. Now, open Google Flow, select the video option from the top menu, choose OmniFlash as your video engine model, and set your desired output duration to 10 seconds. Paste the full prompt directly into the field and hit generate. Wait just a few seconds and your viral plant growth video will be completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the full result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.